Today we are going to have a debate on the topic which academic is better, UP Board Academic and CBSE Board Academic. In my opinion, is CBSE Board Academic is better because it's give a good infrastructure and good quality of education. So that is why it is a better for UP Board. What are you going to
I think UP board is more better than CBSE board. If you are telling about their facilities in UP board, there is also many types of facilities,
Okay.
and their teachers are very responsible. But CBSE board teacher, they don't responsible.
Okay. So, sir.
Well, CBSE board is the best board in India, and then one of the top board. And in Delhi, the board is organized by Delhi. And I think every type of skills and every type of things and examination types are better than UP board.
Okay, I'm agree with you. But if you talk about Delhi schools,
Not
so
Delhi, it's Delhi board.
it's
Delhi
empty board,
is the
not
center of the CBSE board. And it's, Allahabad is the center of the UP board. I'm talking about it.
Both are different.
Both are different. All are India organization CBSE board.
okay. But if you talk about the facility of UP board and CBSE board, so we are also middle class families, and can't afford this type of facility.
Why cannot afford this type of
Because
facility?
because CBSE
Because you
board
guys are not
fees
allowed to
are
pay.
because CBSE board fees are very high.
It is an only assumption, not fees high. It is a medium way, like a 2,000, 3,000. It is a normal thing
No,
for
no.
today's.
Because you are a rich man. So this is normal for you.
Yeah, it is a normal
No,
for
if you have
everybody.
desire,
No, no.
if you have desire,
Not the big amounts.
if your
It's a big
parents,
amount because private CBSE boards have more types of
but if your parents if you want to teach in your CBSE board, he can afford fees for you.
my parents are not
It's their
Suppose-
mentality,
suppose-
your parents.
Suppose anybody is poor, they want to teach their child in a good school, but they can't afford any school. They can join UP board school because their fees is very low. In CBSE board, there we pay fees by monthly, but in UP board we pay fees in year. Some two
But-
times,
but-
some in schools one time, and even though that fees come back for by scholarship.
It is also in CBSE board. It is also return of scholarship, and at least 16 to 80% fees are returned for us.
But in UP board, our fees return totally fees.
Yeah, I know it is written, but beautiful law of CBSE board is if you have a 3 child, so third one child is studying in free.
In
But it is a-
UP board also,
no,
yes,
it is not in
yes,
all-
in UP board also,
because I'm also a UP board student. So
and I am
know.
also.
Okay, I agree with you. But it is not a provide a good infrastructure and you
How
can't
can
be
you say
content.
The teachers are very lazy in
Yeah.
the
How can you
state board
say
and
this?
UP
But
board.
I have seen CBSE board teachers are very
But I
lazy.
have seen many teachers well qualified in UP board, but they can't take care of their students. It's not
So how can you
better
say-
for our society and not better for our student lives. And they play with the student and they play with career of the students. How can you say about it that the student of the UP board? I deserve it. The student are UP board are very talented, but their teacher are not
How
very
can you say
responsible. I have seen many times.
if you talk about the UP board teacher, they
Yes.
qualified. They
Well qualified.
Well,
I agree
doesn't
with
matter.
you. Very talented. They face many types of means. They have a well-trained teacher. They have a degree, diploma, and lots of idea about skills of teaching style. And very smile smiling on their face,
Do
but
you know-
they have no careful. If they have an urgent piece of work at home, they can leave the student at school and go.
How
at
can you
home.
say that?
I
Because
have seen many times.
how can you say that? Because in this
This is not good for only they are cheated with the student.
in this era, if
After
if
after
government
half time,
teacher-
after midday meal, every student will go and he means here and there, only wandering here and there.
but CBSE
Boys
students
and
are
girls
also
in a UP board, but in a CBSE board, every period the student will be taught by teacher.
if you talk about only UP board students go outside and
Wandering
wandering.
here and there. What is
So,
the reason?
it is-
Who is responsible for this?
It is also do CBSE board.
No.
In sub-
No,
I seen
every
very
teacher
great
are
teacher.
very
I
strict.
don't want
The door
to.
will
Listen
be
to me.
closed.
I don't want to mention his school name, but I can see, and I always
Little
see.
bit of student wander here and there in a CBSE board schools, but in a UP board there are so many schools and colleges are
You know
available.
about
The
mostly
student wander
mostly
here and there.
language issues in CBSE board. CBSE board students always talk in Bhojpuri.
No.
So
They are
He
it's
has a
it's
lot
very-
of knowledge of any languages.
UP board students speak English,
also
Hindi,
speak
Bhojpuri,
Bhojpuri.
but
Also speak Bhojpuri.
very well speaks Hindi, English, and Bhojpuri.
Okay,
And if you talk about CBSE students, we not properly Bhojpuri, not properly English, and not properly Hindi. So how can you say that CBSE students is better and UP board is not better?
But every period teacher teach them.
Yeah.
In every period
In
of 40
UP board
minutes.
also. In
all-
UP board
all
also.
is taught by teacher.
Okay.
I don't
Every
want to
student
share
taught by
mention school name
Yes.
because I see people teach with the abuse.
No.
No, it's-
There
it's
is
a
a
very-
great management of CBSE.
No,
board,
no,
great
it's not.
principal
It's not
available
because
in school and they can discharge the teacher and dismiss
No,
the
it's
teacher
not.
from the
If-
CBSE board.
if any case happen in CBSE board, CBSE board's manager firstly take our
CBSE board
our-
manager well qualified, who
No.
is the founder of the school and founder of the
you
CBSE
say
board.
totally wrong because
They have a lot of
if we talk about the
many types of school. You can
no
say
no
that.
no I don't say that.
What did talk about?
Little bit of
Which type
teacher.
of schools?
Very
Did you say-
struggling teacher
did you
in
say-
available in CBSE board, and they teach in skills. If you teach, try to teach in a CBSE board, you have to show your opportunity and show your quality, and you can teach children with your dirty skills.
If you talk about students, so many students are show our
Attitudes and
Attitude.
because
Every
because he has
student
attitudes,
have attitude.
it also show attitudes.
And schools are not responsible for attitude.